So for our final project, we're doing an automatic cat feeder. As you can see, the food is all in here. The way it works is once you either press a button or through email client send the request, it'll activate the servo motor to spin right once, left once, and then right again. And then it'll dispense all the food below. This is the prototype right now because we don't have the frame built, but come to presentation day, we'll have the whole frame. So let's run the script. So currently the script, what it'll do is wait for either a button press or it'll check for the email clients. Right now there's no emails sent to the client to request. But we'll demonstrate that here in a second. So Oscar, if you want to press the button. On button press, it'll activate the motor. I have to hold it because we don't have the frame in yet, but it'll rotate, it'll spin everything. It'll dispense all the food. So that's the first way. That can be done manually, so if you ever just want to feed your cat, press it immediately as soon as you want it. And it also works through email as well.
So we have our email set up here, and we're emailing our own Gmail account that we made for this project. So we're gonna feed it a subject line called feed cats, and I'm gonna press send. So now, as we see the requests, it's gonna catch up, read the email, and find that there's one unread email, and it's gonna start dispensing the food
Whenever it updates.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it just takes a second to update on the servers.
So we can see who sent the email, what the message is, and yeah. Now we can try with...
There's also a temperature sensor functionality, same idea, just send an email to the same email, except this time it says get temp. So you send it over and wait for the request to be read by our program. The reason it kind of is a little slow, it's on a timer for every 5 seconds, so it's not constantly pulling for email. It only pulls the emails once every 5 seconds. As you can see,
there we go.
Gets the ID and gets the temperature sensor, which is hooked up to the board currently, and it's at 23.25 degrees Celsius.
And we got the sender's email.
Yeah, that's me.